Manipur government and IGAR South jointly welcomed 46 cadres of the Kangleipak Communist Party, People's War Group in short KCP-PWG, who surrendered and laid down their arms to return to the mainstream. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Home Minister Govindas Konthausam, several MLAs, Chief Secretary, Security Advisor to the Government of Manipur, General Officer Commanding Spear Corps, DGP Manipur Police, IG Assam Rifles South, Home Commissioner, DIG CRPF and other senior officials from the state administration and security forces attended the homecoming ceremony, which was held at Manipuri Garrison Headquarters, Assam Rifles South. Speaking in the program, Chief Minister Khemchand said armed group activity showed major increase since the onset of violent conflict in May 2023. However, the situation in the state is gradually improving. He informed that around 8,000 weapons were recovered, and since the formation of the present government 5 months ago, at least 1,200 weapons were recovered, including 600 looted arms. Appealing to other armed cadres to join the mainstream, the Chief Minister said that lasting development in Manipur could only be achieved through peace. He assured that the government was ready to extend support under the state's surrender policy to any armed group willing to return to normal life.
Development laknaba labi boy panina adumi kasi amukana suena iselau sing puno koina thaka ko phusari doba ngaki manga pe haibiramba ko honorable minister na ki karkaru singi secretary police ki mutumina amu ko pasingo badu hangan bada aki mateng kang yawani pe bo hi kasi thamjaraganda ai sai mutang si thamjari.
Meanwhile, Home Minister Govindas Konthausam asserted that the homecoming of KCP-PWG cadres is a significant development. He added that the continuous efforts of security forces had played a crucial role in bringing the cadres back to the mainstream and urged other armed groups operating within and outside the state to abandon violence and contribute to Manipur's development. The KCP-PWG cadres voluntarily laid down 28 sophisticated weapons, including AK rifles, .303 rifles, pistols, double-barrel rifles, single-barrel rifle, an incest rifle, a self-loading rifle, a carbine machine gun, and a rocket-propelled grenade launcher, along with a large quantity of magazines, ammunition, and explosives.
Makogi sendal lambi ama lakana bagi mana bada sarkar nama dem panggani adugi mathakta lupa lak mari sahi ahumi wana fixed deposit akoina thomsadani adugo once sahi ahum sina makoina vocational or any kind of activities for their livelihood tawi matamda madem panganaba masai akoina 4 lakhs ama FD thomsadani bado adu 3 years head complete over matam. That means 6,000 per month. Sina get leave kibada 4,000. Sina makoi own livelihood ama koi na bagi. Ado mga policy ama para sarkar masu Manipur sarkar na semsa bani hai nai mayam na thamjabi. Para madana ina yang sang na haija na ina mayam na haija badi. Faida ki lai ufa bani. Ai koi Manipur si prakriti mai be mana yang dingsi jana phasaba lai ba ama koi hamba se koi mangan dana na bona ba koi shanti hanjina na bona ba hai ba se koi punamaki thokdam ni haina.
On the other hand, the chairman of KCP-PWG, L. Ranjit, expressed the motive behind joining the mainstream. He added that the decision was taken to carry forward the movement through peace. He also declared that members of KCP-PWG will not be engaged in any illegal activities, including extortion. He also urged the public to report to police if KCP-PWG members are found engaged in illegal activities.
How's it say? kena toriba homecoming ceremony sida koi present toriba Cadres jingje punna nipu ga tarukni nipu taruk sida nupi marin atai ki nupa ngakani adu hoje koi gi phire phayabo koi gi tungi forum da hoje koi na ingna yumda phasana leira matungda koi apunba gi ba koi gi company gu mama leira kan da koi na thabak subong amam nomba cham leiram na leiram report me amchi koi na thabak sujaraga adigum mayam do toga sarkar na kitang koi da pangakpa ate sarkar da mari le na ba koi gi industrial ne chingba toba ya ba gi factory ne chingba toba ya ba gi lambi timina ra koi punna hinna na ba gi nation na je hinna na ba gi wa khalon da leje